Let's take a look through the morning papers then. And as you can imagine, the various events on the campaign trail yesterday all making the headlines this morning. The Scotsman's front page, Scotland's decision is its headline. It says, with exactly a week to go before our historic referendum, the Scotsman gives its verdict on the choice before us. We are better together. It goes on to talk about the fact that Scotland could be a successful independent country, the paper believes. But next week's question is, should Scotland be an independent country? What we then have to look at, it says, is whether this is where the greatest success will lie.
The front page of the Times, financial turmoil hits Scotland is the headline. They're talking about Lloyds announcing it'll move headquarters to London after a yes vote. Front page of the Herald, the union turns the heat on yes is their headline. Big businesses add to pressure on Alex Salmond as poll puts no 6 points ahead. This is, of course, the Daily Record poll suggesting that there is a 6-point gap between no and yes at this stage, and the Daily Record featuring that on its front page. It gives the yes camp a mountain to climb, they say, in the last week, and they also focus on Shell and BP, saying the industry would be best served by staying in the UK.
Front page of The Guardian this morning, mortgage risk if Scots vote yes. It says that mortgage lending could dry up for Scottish home buyers if Scotland votes for independence. Major lenders are preparing to restrict lending in the event of a yes vote as concerns rise over the currency that an independent Scotland would use and the outlook for house prices. Sort of follows on from Mark Carney, the Bank of England governor, who faced questioning from MPs about the currency implications for Scotland yesterday. And of course also the bosses of BP and Standard Life, who voiced their concerns about the impact of a yes vote.
Front page of the Telegraph, economic fears, they say, put stop to Salmond bandwagon. Front page of the Daily Mail, now the union strikes back is its headline. They say that Mr Salmond's economic master plan was being torn apart, as they put it, by the leaders of Scotland's biggest industries, with the No campaign moving into the lead in the referendum race there, of course mentioning that opinion poll once again.